What's up guys, it's Brandon here for another recipe video today. For today's recipe, we are going to be doing German spätzle. It's pretty much pasta dumplings that are ran through a mesh hole filter, but today we're going to be using the cheese grater holes just because it's pretty similar to the size. But for today's recipe, we are going to be using 1.5 cups of flour, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, and 4 ounces of water. All right, to start off this recipe, you guys are going to want to bring a pot of water to boil. This is going to be to actually cook your spätzle in. And so to begin with it, you guys are going to want to take your flour and add it into a bowl, as long with your salt. And these two, you guys just want to combine together, mix it through, and then you guys are going to want to create a little well in the middle of it, because this is where we are going to put our water and our egg. So after you guys make the well, you guys are going to want to combine your 2 eggs and your 4 to 6 ounces of water. I have 6 ounces in here, so I'm just going to start off by pouring just about 4 ounces, and then we're going to mix those two together. And so once this is fully mixed together, you guys are just going to want to add this into the middle of that well. And this is almost like, if you guys have ever made pasta before, it's going to be exactly like that. You guys are just going to want to slowly incorporate your flour into the egg and water mixture until everything is fully combined. So once your egg and water mixture is fully incorporated, you guys are going to want to get to about a thick pancake consistency. I did have to add about 2 more ounces of water to this. It just may depend on how much you add and how more incorporated it is. Okay, so once your water has come to a boil, which it should be by now, I did forget to mention you guys do need to season this with salt. Make sure it is seasoned. And once your batter has made, I like to get a bench scraper and a cheese grater. What this is gonna do is we're gonna push the batter through these holes and they're gonna make small little dumplings. So you wanna place this over here, and your partner can help you out with this as well. But I like to just get a good glob of it on my bench scraper. Place it on there and start smoothing it in, back and forth, so it's gonna pass through. And once you guys can see, it's gonna make these small little dumplings that plop out onto the water. So once you have dropped your guys' dumplings through, you're gonna wanna wait for them to float up to the top just like this. You're just gonna wanna take them out, let it drain for a second. You want to put it into a bowl and wait on the side. And this is going to be not just a one and go process. You guys are going to have to do this multiple times just to get your batter fully through. So once you guys have done your entire batter, this is what they're going to somewhat look like. You're going to put these on the side while you guys make your mushroom gravy or your Jaeger spätzle.